Report not showing you all your costs? Are you sure you've allocated them correctly? I'm Lucy from Burton's Academy, and today I will show you how to find and recode to the correct account location with ease. Comment, like and subscribe if you find this video helpful and want more like it. So starting on the dashboard screen, what we'll do is we will click Accounting and Find and Recode. Now, I know the contact that I am looking for, and so what I want to do is click Find and Recode and then add a condition, and it is a contact I'm looking for, therefore I will click Contact. However, you might have one of these other fields that you're looking for. For example, you might want to change your VAT in one sweep, or you have a particular account code that you want to look at. So you may use a different drop down to what I'm going to use today. So clicking on contact, I know that the name is Net Connect. So I'll start typing out their name and Xero will suggest the one that we have. So therefore Net Connect and click search. And then what I can see is very quickly the dates of invoices or bills, or maybe some transactions we have, so like journals, for example, payments, that sort of thing. And then the contact name, the invoice number or reference, if applicable. And then we've got the total transaction value, a description, the account, the tax rate, and the line total as well. So I know that all of these account numbers are wrong and it needs to be changed to IT software instead. And so what I'm going to do is click on this recode button. So it will pop up with an option to recode source transactions or recode with a manual journal. Choosing recode with manual journal will not change these specific items and instead will create a new transaction for this item. I don't want to do that. I want to correct that source so it's really clear where that particular invoice is saved. Because if I go into that bill or invoice and see that it is in direct expenses, I might change it there and then, not realizing I have a journal somewhere else that already does that fix. Therefore, I will click Recode Source Transactions and it will correct it at source, so on the bill or invoice. So we click on this. I know that the contact name is correct, so I don't need to change that. The account, as I said earlier, I want to change that to IT software, so I'm going to type in IT and find that one. Now, I also am not VAT registered, so this has populated as 20%, so another opportunity to change the VAT code to no VAT and click on that. We then click on Review, and it just says that it might take a few moments to process, but are you happy? This is going to update 4 transactions for you, and I'm going to click Confirm. And then there you have it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on how to master Xero. See you at the next one.